Kakangal my love, name your love, baby yoka, to kendem bangote, to sutana bis.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be a review slash first time impressions video on the Real Technique makeup brushes. This is their Stand by Nick beauty brushes, and this is their everyday essential beauty brushes. It comes with 4 brushes. As you can see, I already used them, and then it comes with the essential beauty blend. This is their miracle complexion sponge. I'm also going to be talking about the brushes as well and tell you guys what each brush is actually for. If you're interested in this video, go ahead and keep on watching. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out, it really helps a sister out, so go ahead and do that for me. And yeah, I will catch you guys in my next upload. Bye. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh my god, it's super cute. It's supposed to be like everyday essentials when it comes to doing your makeup. You can use these brushes for every day. I just love how it looks in here. It just looks so simple and straight to the point. And then you have my favorite color as well. My favorite color is blush pink, so I just love it. Okay guys, so I'm going in with the RT200 brush. This is supposed to be for the foundation. Go ahead and buff that into my skin with this brush, and I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it. Wow, it's actually really soft. Oh my god. Guys, do you guys see how this is blending into my skin? Wow, I can definitely see me using this brush. Wow. Wow. This is so good. I don't know if you guys are catching this on camera, but it blends so smooth, like really smooth. I'm going in with my RT300 brush. Real Techniques, like this is blending out like butter. I'm not even using that much muscle, I'm not even using that much hand work. So hey guys, so I'm taking over the voiceover. As you can see here, I kind of used a little bit too much product, and I spreaded it out a little too much with the brush. So I went ahead and used my beauty blender to kind of go ahead and fix that, which is something I really like because, you know, if you make a mistake, you can just go ahead and fix it with the beauty blender. I went ahead and brightened the eye again with my Maybelline concealer, and I went ahead and used the same brush and then the beauty blender to blend that out. So I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm using a RT402 brush, and obviously this has soft and fluffy bristles, so it set really well. As you can see earlier, I used a lot of concealer, so this brush saved the day, and I just went ahead and dabbed that in, and I didn't have any patchiness or whatsoever. It just set amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and like finish the rest of my face with bronzing, you know, doing my eyeshadow, putting on my lashes whatsoever. And I'm gonna be back on camera and, you know, finish the brush kit. However, all the products will be listed down below, every product that I'm using, okay? Alrighty. Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use this pink shade right here. Okay, so I'm going in with my RT 400. This is their blush brush. Oh my god, that rhymes. But this is supposed to be a tapered, soft, and fluffy brush. It has soft bristles, and it's just for your everyday blush. I also went ahead and used that same 402 setting brush to go ahead and put on the highlighter. I went ahead and set the rest of my face and everything. And yeah, so this is the finished look. I'm very pleased with the base. Oh my god. This kit retails for $19.99, so go ahead and get yours, and I will catch you guys in my next upload. Bye guys.